Welcome back, students. In this class we would be learning about prime factorization. If you would remember, I defined what exactly is a prime number in the previous class. So just to recap, a prime number is a natural number whose factors are 1 and itself. Okay, so examples: 2 is the smallest prime number, remember that, smallest prime number. Now 3 is also a prime number, 5 is also a prime number, 7 is also a prime number, 11 is also a prime number. So all of these are prime numbers. Now how do we consider them as factors? Now when a prime number is a factor for any given number, then we have a new term, what is called as prime factors. Okay, we call them as prime factors, and the technique that is used is called prime factorization. Okay, so just to give you an example, suppose you are asked list all prime factors of the number 15. So what would be your answer? Of course, we know the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. But when it comes to prime factors, we cannot use the number 1 because 1 is not a prime number. So the same goes with 15, right? So if I were to talk of prime factors for the number 15, it would be 3 and 5. So these would be the only prime factors. So similarly, if you were to have a question, list all prime factors of the number 8, I can see the only factor which is prime in case of the number 8 is 2. So 2 will be the only prime factor. Of course, all the factors of 8, if I were to list all the factors of 8, then it would be 1, 2, 4 and 8. But 1, 4 and 8 are not prime numbers. Of course, if you are asked to write the number 8 as a product of prime factors, if this was the question, then you have to only use the number 2. So this would be the solution. I hope you understood the concept of prime factors. I can give other examples for prime factors. Say 25. The factors for 25 would be 5 and 5. Okay, clearly 5 is a prime number. Prime number. For 35, the prime factorization would be 5 multiplied with 7. For 49, the prime factorization would be 7 multiplied with 7. For 144, can we have a prime factorization for 144? Now let me express 144 as 12 multiplied with 12, but 4 is not a prime factor. So I can rewrite 4 as 2 times 2. So I would now have the solution set to be as 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times, okay, finally we got the 3 there. So of course I can rewrite it as with the exponent value. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 2's times, and I've got 2 3's, so 3 raised to the power 2. So this is the prime factorization for the number 144. So you can try out various problems for prime factorization.